Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to add your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook page. This is an excellent strategy for growing your professional network and allowing your Facebook friends or colleagues to easily find your career history. Let's start the process by heading over to LinkedIn. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and do that now to reach your main feed. From here, you need to locate your specific profile URL. Click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen and choose View Profile. Once you are on your personal page, look at the browser's address bar. You want to copy the specific username that follows the linkedin.com/ and portion of the web address. With that username copied, it is time to switch over to Facebook. Navigate to your own Facebook profile and click on the About section. Within this menu, look for the Contact and Basic Info tab. This is the hub for managing your external links. Click the option to add a social link. A small menu will appear with a drop-down list of various social media platforms. Scroll through the list, select LinkedIn, and then paste your copied username into the adjacent text field. This creates a direct link from your Facebook page to your professional account. To finalize the addition, simply click the Save button. Your LinkedIn link will now be visible in your contact information. Before we finish, I recommend checking your privacy settings for this specific detail. You can choose to make this link public, visible only to friends, or completely private. Adjusting these settings ensures you are comfortable with who can access your professional details. That is the straightforward way to connect your LinkedIn and Facebook accounts. Bridging these two platforms can enhance your online presence and open up fresh professional opportunities. Thank you for watching, and make sure to manage your privacy settings to keep your information secure.